Hello, my dears. This is the location of Rishikesh. I'm in Rishikesh today, and you can watch the beauty of nature. The clouds and clouds are everywhere, and today the weather is so nice, so pleasant, so lovely, so cooling and comforting. So, this is the I just zoom. This is the temple, Bhutanath temple you are watching from here, and the heights of Himalayas. And tree, it is a bilwa tree, the bale tree, and that is the scenario. And this is the Vihanga Yoga Institute. This is unzoomed state of scenario all around. It is Sheesham Jhadi, location in Rishikesh. So lovely climate today. So I wanted to show you this scenic beauty of nature and that you are enjoying. Now I'm zooming, and this is the building of Gurudwara. And now again unzoom. This is unzoom state. Lovely scenario, lovely season, lovely weather, lovely clouds, everything lovely and lovely. Again, this is the Bilwa Vriksha. There two Babas are walking and talking and waiting for good food. I am also one of them. So thank you very much for today.